Good afternoon, students. Today we will see about obesity. So, what is obesity? What itself? And everybody, as a layman, also know what is obesity. So, in layman term, we understand obesity means overweight. But if you see the clinically, that is not true in all cases. Obesity is all about that is more about your fat rather than your weight. Okay, that's why there is a difference between weight loss and fat loss. Okay, those who are in the fitness concerns. Okay, so how we will understand or how we will know that already we know that obesity is a primary cause for many number of diseases, either is orthopedic disease or a systematic disease. So how we will measure? So there are number of formulas, but most routinely and accepted gold standard formula is measuring your BMI, that is body mass index. Now how to measure it? A simple way anybody can do even at home also. So BMI is equal to weight into kilograms divided by height in meter square. Okay, another formula is for a weight in the pound into 703 divided by height in inch square. Okay, so either of the things can be used either with the kilograms or pound, either with the meter and the height, but you can use the kilogram with meter and you can use the pound with the inches only. Now according to after that you will get a certain amount of figures, so that has to be no. If it is less than 18.5, then it is considered as underweight. 18.8 to 24.9 normal, 25 to 29.9 overweight, 30 to 40 is obese, and more than 40 is very obese. So after the calculation of BMI, we able to know that whether you are obese or not. But still, it is not proven that you have a more extra fat or you have a more weight. It could depend on a different profession or different athletes population. They have more BMI, but still they have fat is low or fat is under normal limit. Same way for the some athlete population, they have a low weight, but still they have maintained their fat at the normal limit. So why is it so? Either there may be they have a more weight is just because of the muscles, not because of fat, because of their specific training and specific profession have done the same training, and they could restrict them to the, even though they are overweight, they cannot be considered as the obese. So normally we need and some energies to do our activities or maintain our body structures, to maintain our vitals. Okay, so whatever we eat, we get a certain amount of calories, and that calorie can be utilized for the different purposes to maintain your body on a natural charm. Now extra amount of energy which has been stored inside the body, which is not needed, either you have used the less calorie or you have attempt the more food, and ultimately we got the more calories, and which can be stored and converted into the fat with a different kind of biochemical reactions. So we can say that obesity is not just simply because of overeating. Okay, it can be a combination of a number of factors work together and more amount of in the bodies, and leads to development of extra fat deposition inside the body in different areas, and which going to be have an effect on a different body systems. Now what are the factors? There are total 9 kind of factors. We will see each one in detail. So first factor is basically inactivity. That is a big factor nowadays, especially in the last 20 years. The globalization or smart gadgets has developed the world as a global village, and because of that, we have adapted to such amount of lifestyle that we have a less amount of physical exertion and less activity, and because of that, less activity, and even though increment in the wealth, the eating habit has been also changed, and because of that, more eating and less physical exertion lead to the extra amount of calories has to be stored, and unfortunately they convert inside the fat. Number 2 is diet. Obviously the eating habit. Diet means not only the right what we are eating, Even the time of the diet is also affecting your obesity. Okay, so and penetration of junk food in your daily life and fast life, because of that is happening, leads to development obesity. Next is a pregnancy, where it is up to the certain level it is considered as a normal physiological changes of obesity, but post pregnancy, due to certain amount of problems or the high consumption of the drugs, may lead to development of obesity. Lack of sleep, that is the most common, one of the major factor to improve or to increase the cases of obesity in the world, because of the globalizations and smart gadgets and altered lifestyle, especially in the urban setups, leads to development of lack of sleep, and which ultimately leads to develop your obesity. Next is the drugs. Improper uses of drugs like beta blocker, anti-seizures, antipsychotic, and antidepressant medicines, which is many times it has been taken as a self medication, which leads to development of obesity. Next condition is a certain amount of medical disease or medical conditions or syndromes, where there is a store of the fat will be more, either, or it leads to development of a gain in the weight or gain in a fat, like a Cushing syndrome, or some disease will have a low metabolic rate in the body, and because of that they burn the very less amount of calories per day, like an hypothyroidism, and this disease may lead to development of low activity, and such is development of ultimately gaining the help in the obesity. Genetics, obviously there are certain genetic factors is there, which have, suppose parents and mother and father have, so there are more chances the baby will get a certain amount of changes in the obesity kind of diseases. And family lifestyles, that already we have discussed that number of especially the global village has converted everybody on more work, and country like Japan, even though the people are very healthy, but still because of the workaholic culture and family lifestyle has been changed, and diet and other factors, which leads to development of your obesity on a long span. So this and age, obviously it can occur at different kind of age. Previously it was noticed just only in the after the middle age or after the fourth decade of life, the obesity was start, because till that when they have reached to the 40 years, there is lack of gadgets and lack of other activities, so physical exertion was more. But now because of ultra modern gadgets, it is a alarming sign that even pediatric population start developing obesity, which is very alarming. Now we'll see what are the complication is caused because of this obesity. Obesity is dangerous, obviously all we know that if it is not controlled, then there are chances of keep on increasing the number of disease one by the other, or one after the other, or one with the other, and parallel there are number of diseases are keep on increasing, then ultimately patient is going for a multiple system involvement. So most common complication is type 2 diabetes, hypertension, stroke, all kind of heart disease, gallbladder disease, case of one bone. Then there is a osteoarthritis, development of the weight bearing joint, most commonly the knee, hip, and ankle. Poor wound healing, sleep disorders, sleep apnea, high cholesterol and triglycerides in the blood, all kind of metabolic disorders, depression, cancers. These are the major complications. After that, there are number of complications, but these are the very major complications which leads to development with because of an obesity. And because of that they have a more or effect on the social disturbances and depression, just because of they have a problem with social isolation, physical disability, certain amount of discomfort, more problems in sexual activities, and ultimately patient is going for a number of systems working together, and it will be affecting their mental as well as physical capacity and social capacity. It leads to development of complex disorders. Okay, so to avoid that, we should start screening, or we should be so conscious that whenever we are in the early stage or in the grade 1 of obesity, then we have to start bring a precautions or a alternative measurement or a treatment. To do so, either we have to change of the 9 factors, then come to the normal healthy life, so we can avoid a certain amount of diseases.